Look here, good people. Good people, good morning. You all know that July is my birth month and that I celebrate my birthday the entire month of July. So on this 1st of July, I'm starting the celebration. But as I begin this celebration, let me just say this to you. No weapon, and I mean no weapon, formed against me shall prosper. Haters, you're just motivation. You're just motivation because, baby, I am a child of the Most High. Every weapon shall fail. Every one of them. Happy 1st of July to you. Catch me on socials as I party all month long. Much love.